Meteorologist Marion Caldwell with your Storm Track 3 forecast, brought to you by Atlantic Roofing Company.
Well, it was a hot day across the Cape Fear. Actually, the hottest day that we have recorded so far this year. Had a high of 96 degrees, which is well above average, but those heat index values were near 110 and 112. And as we look outside right now, it is still warm out there. Lower 90s across most of the area as we head inland, still in those middle 90s in some spots. And as the evening goes on, really not going to do that much cooling off. Going to be in the upper 80s for the next few hours. And as we go throughout the overnight, really only going to see lower 80s for our low. Some spots could see upper 70s along with mostly clear skies, and we should stay dry. So looking at our lows across the area, upper 70s on the beaches, and still going to see those upper 70s as we head inlands. Looking at lower 80s on our eastern beaches and going to see those upper 70s inland along with muggy conditions. So still going to be feeling really warm out there as we head into the overnight. So we'll look ahead into the work week. We're going to see that dangerous heat and humidity last for the next few days to start the week until a cold front stalls over the area through the middle of the week, increasing rain chances, and then we're just going to be stuck with those typical summertime conditions as we head through the end of the week. So another hot day is on the way for tomorrow. Upper 80s to lower 90s on the beaches, and as we look inland, going to see those middle to upper 90s once again on our Brunswick beaches, lower 90s, and going to be heating up as we head inland. Could see a few showers as we head into the afternoon, but for the most part, we will stay dry throughout most of the day. Through the morning, going to be left with mostly sunny skies and staying dry until we head into the afternoon. Going to see that convection start to flare up, leaving us with some isolated showers and storms there. And again, as we head through the beginning of the work week, still going to be very hot temperatures in those middle to upper 90s. And as we see that front move through the area, going to get us back down to more of where we should be for this time of year in the upper 80s to lower 90s. So unfortunately, that humidity is not going anywhere. So as we do have those upper 90s to start the week, going to be feeling really hot. Going to see heat index values over 100 degrees once again going into the day tomorrow as well as Tuesday. Looking at heat index values near 110, maybe even more than that, kind of similar to what we saw today. But as we head into the middle of the week and see that front stall out, going to get us back down into those upper 80s, but still going to be feeling like we're in those upper 90s with that humidity. And our rain chances through the beginning of the week should stay slim, just typical summertime isolated shower chance. But through the middle of the week, as that front stall is going to see a better chance for some showers and storms. And then as we go into the weekend, going to see those die back down to those typical summertime pattern once again. But in better news, we are not expecting any tropical cyclone activity over the next 7 days, despite the warm air and the warm water temperatures. So that is definitely good news as we head into the peak of our hurricane season. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast, just stuck with that typical chance for some isolated showers and storms. At the beginning of the week, very, very hot and humid. Going to see that front stall out into the middle of the week, bringing us a better chance for some showers, getting back down to average with our temperatures. And to end the week into the weekend, just going to be stuck with those typical summertime weather patterns.